One of the things we also saw in the results was, naturally when the markets start to get rocky, some folks want to potentially kind of run for the hills and
Right.
become a little more conservative. The 50% of the individuals who stayed the course,
Mm-hmm.
like you just described that you did,
Yes, sir.
are feeling much more confident. And, those are the folks who are able to participate in the improvement in the market over the past several years. So, staying the course, revisiting your asset allocation, making sure that you've got a plan that kind of fits where you're trying to go. Very important lesson learned here.
And let me ask you, I've been watching a lot of news lately, and the markets were really bullish here recently, and I see that they only just recently took a little dip. But what would you say was the reason for that? I mean, they said it just the Dow hit a record that it's never hit before.
Well, I got to tell you, I've been in this business for nearly 25 years, and in the one, lesson that I probably have learned, and again, I think that we see with many individuals who have been successful, is that you're better off looking at the long term and focusing on, do I have the right mix of stocks, bonds, and cash, because you're going to get these blips in the market, and most of the time they are due to things that are way outside of our control.
Right.
Things that are happening across the Atlantic and the Pacific, but what you can control is making sure that you've got an investment plan that kind of matches what you're comfortable with,
Mm-hmm.
and that ties with your goals. So, these blips are going to happen, but you've got to have a plan. You got to stick